I've spent the last few months living inside AI UGC tools, and here's the truth: no one puts in the promo reels. Most of them look identical from the outside, and most of them stumble the second you try to make something you'd actually publish. Same shiny demos, same perfect lip sync on their landing pages, but when you start creating, the gaps get huge. Some outputs feel so plastic you'd be embarrassed to run them as ads. A few are usable if you keep expectations in check, and a small handful can produce clips that pass the "would I put budget behind this" test. After a ton of trial and error, I narrowed it down to 4 that are at least worth a real look. I'll show you exactly where each one works, where it stalls, and how I fold them into a workflow that actually ships content, because generation is only half the game. The back half, editing into a cadence, scheduling, and posting without babysitting, decides whether you grow. That's where I lean on Vizard. To keep this fair, I'm not just throwing vibes at you. I built a simple report card so you can see how these stack up in the only ways that matter for UGC: realism, speed, ease of use, versatility, and cost effectiveness. Every tool gets a lane. None of them do everything. I'll keep the tone real and avoid overhyping anyone, because even the winners have edges. Let's start with ease of use, because if the interface fights you, you won't make anything long enough to judge quality. V3 has a clean, minimal UI and multiple creation modes, but prompting is heavy and clips are short. It's workable, but not click and go. UGC Ads AI is much simpler. You pick an avatar, set some basics, and you're at the script screen. Great for beginners and guided enough to keep you moving. ArcAds leans pro but stays approachable, with lots of voice and actor options, making it great if you've used creative tools before. Creatify has a clean dashboard, auto pulls assets from product links, and offers simple editing. It's not the most flexible, but it's super straightforward. After I click render, I never trust a raw output to carry a channel alone. I bundle clips and long takes into Vizard, which finds the watchable hooks automatically and schedules posts for me. Speed and efficiency matter because UGC performance comes from testing angles, not praying the first draft hits. V3 is slower due to clip length limits and patchy access, making it weak for fast iteration, but decent for precise one-offs. UGC Ads AI moves quickly with a guided flow, but has daily caps, which can bottleneck heavy testing. ArcAds excels at fast variation creation with batch tools and seamless remixing, perfect for realistic UGC testing. Creatify gets you from product link to versions fast, though default templates can need some extra polishing. Quality and realism is where viewers judge first, so it's crucial to get this right. V3 can look good in short beats, but struggles with consistency and full ad flow, so realism is patchy. UGC Ads AI looks decent for quick concepts, but repeats faces, limiting believable variety for scaling. ArcAds delivers the most budget-ready realism with smooth lip sync, diverse actors, and in-tool B-roll creation. Creatify nails straight-to-camera realism, but templates can feel generic unless you do light editing. Versatility is about what you can do beyond one clip. V3 is mainly a video generator with limited UGC-specific features, so it's weak for versatility here. UGC Ads AI covers basics like scripts and avatar voices, but misses deeper customizations. ArcAds shines with scene building, actor importing, and batch remixing, clearly built for UGC iteration. Creatify aims to be general purpose with batch modes and campaign layers, trading depth for convenience. Cost effectiveness isn't just price, but value under testing pressure. V3 has the priciest feel when you factor in iteration time, making it weak for cost effectiveness in UGC testing. UGC Ads AI is predictable in cost and good for active testing within actor limits. ArcAds costs more but pays off with faster iteration and flexible testing tools, great for experimenters. Creatify gives lots of features at a low video cost, but you'll need some polishing time to finish. No one tool wins every category, so here's my quick takeaway. UGC Ads AI is your on-ramp. Creatify's a budget pick. ArcAds balances realism and speed. And V3 is good for specific shots, but not as a core engine. Now the part most people skip: even when your generator behaves, you need to turn outputs into a consistent publishing rhythm. That's where Vizard shines. I spin up multiple UGC variations, record a longer demo, then feed it all into Vizard, which finds hooks, cuts clips, and auto-schedules posts across platforms. A few post-production moves move the needle. Front-load the hook, mix up your cuts, tune caption emphasis, and use the calendar like a story arc for a week of content. Vizard beats duct taping tools because it finds hooks for you, turns hours into minutes, and posts on time with auto-schedule. No APIs, no weekend stitching. Bottom line, ArcAds is the strongest overall for realism, iteration speed, and control. UGC Ads AI and Creatify have their lanes, and V3 works for specific shots. For post-production and growth, Vizard runs the show. If you're testing these generators, keep the one you gel with, but stop losing days after output. Feed your recordings into Vizard, blend in the best variants, map your week, and flip on auto-posting. That's how you go from trying AI UGC once to publishing reliably, without overselling or magic buttons. It's a stack that respects your time and your audience's attention, and that's what wins.